My best holidays in San Andres. Hello, how are you? I'm glad you well. My name is Deisy Milena, and in this video, I want to tell you about my best vacation in San Andres with my husband, Jose Luis. The trip was 2 years ago and it was exciting because I met sea and we traveled for the first time by plane. We traveled from Del Dorado International Airport and the flight lasts about 2 hours. We all arrived at 11 a.m. at the hotel. We have a spectacular view toward the sea. I could appreciate a beautiful landscape. I was very excited and happy. After leaving the bus, we went for a walk on the beach and enjoyed the sea water. I did not want to head out of the water. I love the waves. On the second day, we went to North the Island, X Beach. We visited Morgan, Cap, the Blob Hole and the natural pool, where we enjoyed the slide and the variety of goldfish. We went to the aquarium and there we saw a lot of variety of fish of all colors, very beautiful. We also looked at the mantarrayas and mangroves. We also went to the island of Johnny Cay. We enjoyed its landscape, beautiful view, strong waves, and typical dishes of fish and rice with coconut. In the evening, we went for a walk and went shopping. We buy details for family and friends. The last day on the island, we took full advantage of it. We went diving and it was a spectacular experience. There is a lot of biodiversity in fish and algae under the sea. It was a spectacular vacation and beautiful place which we recommended and we will definitely go again. This vacation was very significant because it was my husband's anniversary gift, and for that reason I chose it as the best vacation. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.